Shocking news from Silicon Valley Bank. The latest financial history has just been made on Friday, March 10, 2023. Silicon Valley Bank collapsed due to a bank run and a capital crisis, making it the second largest financial institution failure in United States history. The California regulators closed down the bank and placed it under the control of the U.S. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation (FDIC), which will liquidate the bank's assets to pay back its customers, including depositors and creditors. The bank had failed to raise $2.25 billion in new shares to shore up its balance sheet after it had announced it had sold a bunch of securities at a loss. Panic followed among key venture capital firms, who reportedly advised companies to withdraw their money from the bank. Panic followed among key venture capital firms, who reportedly advised companies to withdraw their money from the bank. This led to a classic bank run that forced the FDIC to take over. The FDIC is acting as a receiver and will liquidate the bank's assets to pay back its customers. SVB had $209 billion in total assets at the end of last year, and it was the largest lender to fail since Washington Mutual collapsed in 2008. Despite initial panic on Wall Street over the run on SVB, which caused its shares to the crater, analysts said the bank's collapse is unlikely to set off the kind of domino effect that gripped the banking industry during the financial crisis. How do you feel about this Silicon Valley Bank collapsed event? Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.